watch me, so.
I'm watching good.
Yeah, you gonna take the damn bitch look at my head looking like alfalfa. Now this is a safe way. Take it.
That just looks so easy. But that's a bear trap. Have you ever stepped in one of them things and it shattered with you?
Always turn head.
I thought I was gonna bite you.
Nah, I get away from them biting me. But see, I done got cut right there. Take them. This part right here. Bring it. Let it come into your stomach. This part here and this part here. Hold them. Hold your fingers between the gullies. Both of them. When you go to bend it, see, this part here is going through your gut. It's going to come up like that. And when you do, when you fold them over, let pressure off your foot, and this is going to swing over. You take it, and then that drop down. Simple as baking a cake, and I don't know how to bake a cake.